how did you like the event? So take a couple of words.
Yeah, hi, Lyra. First of all, the inaugural TechExpo was a really great experience for the product strategy team. You know, we had a great opportunity to provide some insight to the new hires and some technical enablement as such. And, you know, I learned a lot about how to present our topics to SEs. So I think it was an outstanding event, very well organized, very well executed from Jose and team. And I think that when we look at the capabilities of the Veeam SE organization, we have to invest. And this is the right vehicle to do that investment. And this is my 8th year at Veeam. This is the best motion, anything like this that I've ever seen. So outstanding job, Lyra. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, it was a great occasion of meeting for all the senior guys and the new hires. So this allowing a sort of transmission of knowledge between the senior, the old guard that is still present in Veeam, in the pre-sales team, and to get in touch with the new wave of hires which are expected to bring the company to the new level. Secondly, it was a good chance for everyone to get all the news and details about the new product releases, which are absolutely important to accomplish our company goals. And finally, it was, as you can hear from the noise around, it was a big chance to create a team building event and to make the guys connecting each other between the regions, because this helps also to create a sort of standardization of our processes, and it was also an occasion of a meeting between the pre-sales directors. So organization was perfect, the environment was perfect, and I think the Veeam TechExpo brought the earliest training to the next level.
Thank you.
First of all, it was really well organized. I have to say the location was great, the event was great. Great atmosphere with people, had a lot of fun, but learn a ton, guys. That's the place to be if you want to learn about Veeam and the solution. So thanks for having me.
Thank you. Thank you, Pierre.
So I only participated in a senior SE track. I like it better than the previous years when it was not separated from new hires. And we would come and for 2 days we would tell them this is new feature, this is new feature. And these guys, they don't know what old features are, and we have 10 years of old features work. So I like that. We bring, for that specific track, we bring people who are seasoned enough and they can appreciate the new stuff already knowing all the old stuff. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.